Welcome to your Motivation Movement Tip, brought to you by Dr. Karyn Staples. The exercise today is assisted roll-up. Start lying on your back, draw your knees in toward your chest, reaching your hands behind your thighs. Take a nice inhale, and as you exhale, slightly nod your chin towards your throat. Allow your upper body to start curling as you reach your thighs slightly away from your body. Keeping that connection with your arms, continue to deepen the curl through your body as you slowly roll yourself up to a seated position, allowing your feet to now rest on the floor. Inhale here. As you exhale, keep your feet on the floor as you slowly roll down, allowing the arms to lengthen. Once your arms are long, allow your feet to slowly glide off the ground with you and slow your descent all the way back to your start. Thank you for watching your Motivation Movement Tip, brought to you by Dr. Karyn Staples.